Hi, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Today we're going to show you how to make these cute little fortune cookies, which you can put all sorts of messages in. I've got on my blog something that you can print off, but you know, you can write anything from smile and the world will smile with you, or I think these would be really fun if you had like a pyjama party. You could do like a truth or dare game. Now what you need is some pretty paper. So I've got different colours here. I quite like this dark blue. I'm going to use that one today. You need something to trace a big circle with. This is just a bowl, and you need some pens and scissors and some glue. Now as I do this, I've actually got a hot glue gun heating up. You can use ordinary glue. You could even staple them, to be honest. They're not as pretty stapled, but it works well. But ordinary glue works just fine, but because we're doing this on the video today, it's a little bit easier when you have a hot glue gun because it basically dries instantly. Now if you are using a hot glue gun, remember, be careful because obviously it's hot. So we cut out a circle. I quite like it this size. I've tried out different sizes. Smaller works too, bigger works too, but I think this is just perfect. So it's a little bowl. Don't throw this away because I like to use this strip as the message that you put inside, so cut it a bit straighter. On these ones I've mixed and matched them, so I think that's quite sweet to mix and match them as well, but you don't have to obviously. So keep that for your message. Got your circle. All you do now is you fold it over, get your hot glue gun from all the way over here, just a tiny blob. There you go. Press it down, let it dry, or let it cool just for long enough. Then write your message. I'm going to say, what should I say? Smile and the world will smile with you. You can also print out a set. You don't have to use the paper. Pop it in. I quite like them peeping out a little bit, but if you don't, you just have to, you know, measure them out first. And now what you do is you push the center in like this. Here we go, here we go. Oh, you can see it squashing already. And as you're doing it, you pull this down. Here we go, like that. Then you reposition your message. Now you'll notice, I just want to show you this, that there's a fold at the back, so you know it's going right. The back will fold and the front will stay smooth. And then again, you get your hot glue gun, just put a little bit of glue, plop, there, hold it for a couple of seconds, and then you have your fortune cookie message done. So let's just see if it's dried. Hold it a couple of seconds. Oh, not quite. Maybe a tiny bit more glue, which is fine. You know, it doesn't always have to work first time. Especially if you're doing this at home, you want to see how it really works, don't you? Now, whilst this dries, I always wanted to show you in different colours. Look, here's a sort of a nice reddish boy one. Also, I think they'd look quite nice in plain colours. So to be honest, it's just have a look at what you've got at home and have a little go and see what you like. Squish that together, and there you've got your Chinese fortune cookie. And I think they look really great in a big pile. And like I said, you can either like give them out as fun little, you know, messages to your friends, or if you're having friends over for a party, I think it'd be really cute to make these together, write messages and have a game of truth or dare, but you know, be kind obviously to each other, be nice, but I think these make quite a fun little activity that you can do together. Anyway, I hope to see you again on Red Ted Art soon. Don't forget to subscribe. We've got loads of crafts and art and all sorts of ideas for you to try out, so do subscribe and come back soon. Thanks for listening. Bye.